Welcome, everyone. I'm a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, and I believe the toggle is actually disabled by default, so we will need to tap on a pencil. And for me, the hotspot is right here, so hold your finger over it and then drag it over above and go back, and now we should have the toggle right here. So before you tap on it to enable it, you actually want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where we can change the password to something that isn't completely random. So let's go to tethering and portable hotspot and then set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and here we have the password, so you can tap on it to show it, assuming you want to use that randomized password, or you can just tap here, completely remove this one and make your own. The only thing, it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. And as you can see, mine does. Then below you also have the AP band. Now you can change this to 5 GHz if your device supports it. If you have set it to 5 and your device can't see any kind of Wi-Fi by the name that is right up here, then it means that it just doesn't support it. So you might want to go back and change it to 2.4. But once everything is set, tap on save and leave this place, and can now go back to the notification panel and simply tap on it. And there we go, now it's enabled. So that is how you would enable it, and once you're finished with using it, you just want to simply go back there, tap on it again to turn it off. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.